Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. My major nautical department level 2. I'm from AIPI MAKASSAR and this is my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SAHRUL. My major nautical level 2. I am from AIPI MAKASSAR. Hi, how did your English exam go?
Not bad, thanks. How about you? How about your presentation bro?
Oh, it went really well. Thanks for helping me with it.
No problem. So, do you feel like studying for tomorrow or math exam?
Yes, sure. Comment over around 10 after breakfast.
Alright, I'll bring my notes. Hey, how did your English exam go?
No bad, thanks. How did your presentation go?
Oh, it went really well. Thanks for helping me.
No problem. So do you friendly my studying tomorrow for hour to exam?
Yeah, sure. Come over around 10 after breakfast.
Alright. Bring my notes.